Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the information display order on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on preferences if you slide to the right side of the screen. After that, you should tap on the first section, information display order. As you can see, all you have to do is to drag icons to rearrange the information you see when you select the structure on the model. So for example, if you want to see the cross sections, then drag an icon, so hold your finger on it and then put it to the place where you want to see it. So you can customize the order of display of these icons, and basically that's it. Feel free to change any of these like this, so just reposition them. If you are done, just tap on the back icon in the upper left corner of the screen and everything will be updated and changed automatically, so you don't have to tap on any save button or anything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.